Okay, awesome. So we had news this morning, unemployment claims. Today is Thursday, June 20th. And we had yesterday, we didn't trade yesterday. It was more of an education day because yesterday was a holiday. But now we're back in action. This morning we had news, unemployment claims. It came out to 238. Okay, 238. They forecasted 235. It's higher than expected. So it came out to 238. Okay, which caused the dollar to shoot up and gold to shoot down, right at 530. It shot down and now it's shooting up. Okay, because New York open. So 238 it came out positive. Okay. The news came out positive this morning, which caused the dollar to shoot up. Let's look at the dollar. There you go. This is the dollar here. 530 resulted a bullish candle at 530 when news hit. Right here. Okay, 530. It resulted a bullish candle. And now we're on New York Open, and we're seeing price action. Okay. Let me see. You see how it does the opposite when there's positive news. Gold will shoot up. I'm sorry. Dollar will shoot up. Gold will shoot down. When there's positive news. When there's negative news, dollar shoots down. Gold shoots up. We also had building permits, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, which is a mild impact. So really what's high impact is unemployment claims, red folders. I focus on red folders, not too much on orange folders because it's mild. So I just have that just in case. But I focus more on the red folders. We could see some movement on orange folders, mild impact, but not as big as a high impact. Okay, so unemployment claims will always be a red folder event and will cause volatility. Today was a win. Yes, sir. Right now, buy on gold. We're in profits. Who caught the buy? Let me know in the chat if you guys caught the buy. I told you guys last night that prepare for that buy. And it's happening right now in front of our eyes. Look at that. Gold is pushing up. It's going to go to 2350 because it's 61.8 level. Okay. And, I entered my entry. As soon as I woke up, literally, guys, I saw this playing out. I was like, yo, I'm entering. Buy. I knew it was going to happen. I knew it was going to drop when you sit at 530. It did exactly just that. It dropped, liquidated, and then New York Open hits. And now we're seeing a bullish run with gold. Okay, so that's why you want to wait until after news hit. Okay, you want to wait after news to trade. Okay, wait till New York Open to trade. Okay. Wait until New York Open. Now we have the break of structure above my hourly zone. Now we're in the move. So it's gonna hit my 2350. Okay. Actually, let me see. It just hit TP1 actually. 2345 was my TP1. So I'm in profits right now and I'm gonna move Make sure you guys take partials. Okay, make sure you guys are taking partials. Move your stop loss to break even. Move your stop loss to break even, or move it and take partials. Okay. Make sure you guys are taking partials. TP1 just hit 23.45. It's on its way to TP2, which is 23.50. TP3 is 23.55. There's a 150 pip move. Make sure you guys are taking partials. All right. So let me actually put my TPs here because it just hit. 23.45 was right here. Boom. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. 23.45 right there. It's on its way to fill the imbalance, the hourly imbalance. And also we have a 61.8. And you're gonna expect a pullback, okay, like a small pullback. Let me set up my TPs here. Five. And then 23.55 up here. So I can also use my P levels as my take profits and my stop loss. See, 23.55 will be my TP3. Who's in a trade with me? Let me know. You guys took the trade with me as well. Let me know. I'm re-entering at 23.45. Yeah, you guys can if you guys missed an entry at 23.40, you guys can re-enter at 23.45. Wait for the break of structure. Wait for the retest. Okay. Just follow market structure. Break and retest. Just follow market structure. Okay. We see it. Okay, it broke above 23.45 on its way to 23.50. And in total, there's a 150 pip move. Okay, make sure you have a stop loss. And break even. When you're 15 pips or more in profit, make sure to move your stop loss to break even. And also take partials. Okay. I'm taking partials now. So enter it here. Move up. Is a 1, 2, 3 risk to reward. You see how before news it was consolidating? You see that? Where you see the yellow dashed line, that's news, unemployment claims. Okay. It resulted a bearish candle. And then after news, when New York opened, it broke above my hourly structure here. And boom. You see why it's so important to wait after news to trade? It tends to happen every single time. Prior to news, price consolidates, and then wait for the break of structure. TP2 is about to be hit. Actually, let me see. Yep, we're right there. We're about to hit TP2, 2350. Right now, it's just kissing it. Let's go. Yo, who's in profits right now? Let me know in the chat if you guys are in profits. TP2 is about to be hit. And it's kissing it right now. It's being shy with me. But I know she wants to kiss me. I know she wants to kiss me. It's like touching it right now. It's like kissing it. You know, it's like it's shy. It's like we're going halfway, but not fully into the kiss, right? Yo, it's right there. Yeah, what a way to wake up to. Literally, when I woke up, as soon as I woke up, I saw the move happening. TP2 just hit. TP2 just hit, guys. 2350. TP2 just hit. Let's go, yo. Okay. And also it's an 61.8 level, so we may see a retracement. We may see a pullback, a slight pullback. Because it is a 61.8, or it can just surpass that. I see it going to 2370. Yeah. Let's look at the bigger picture. Yeah, it's not gonna retrace. It's gonna push through. Let me just go ahead and delete this. So 61.8. You see, whenever I take the fibs and look at the 4-hour from the high to low, it gave me a 61.8 level at 2350. So let's look at the bigger picture, shall we? Make sure you guys are taking partials. TP2 just hit. Make sure you guys are taking partials. Modify your stop loss. Okay. Make sure you guys are taking partials. You see the bigger picture here? Okay. We have an imbalance here, an hourly balance that hasn't been filled, and now it's filling this imbalance here. Look left to be right. You see this imbalance, this huge imbalance here. Now it's coming up to fill this imbalance, this gap in the market. Okay. And at the 4-hour, I took the fibs from the high to low, and it gave me that 61.8 level right there. That's why I marked it up, because I knew it was gonna shoot up there. To fill this imbalance, and it all came into an alignment as well. See, high to low, high to low, boom, 61.8 right there. My yellow line is 61.8, 2350 level right there. That's why I took this. That's why I marked up the 61.8 level there, because I took the fib from high to low. Boom. And also there's an imbalance there. Okay, this is an imbalanced candle. Whenever you guys see this, it's a sell order that was left on the table, and now it's coming back up to close out this order. And we're seeing that playing out as we speak here live on the call. We're seeing this playing out. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Drop some money backs in the chat if you guys are making money. Drop it. Drop some money backs in the chat. You guys are in profit, because we're seeing this playing out live. And I called it last night, guys. Like literally late last night, I was up looking at this. I was like, yo, we're gonna see a big push up. We're gonna see prepare for the buy, guys. I don't know if you guys read my message in my chat. but I called it last night, or when you guys woke up this morning, I don't know if you guys read my message from last night, like, yo, expect a buy. Like, we're gonna see a big push up. And this could be the move that can go to 2,500. This could be the move that could go to 2,500 plus. This could be the move right here, right? We've been waiting for this. And I can show you guys the pattern. Look, I went to backtest last week's news. Look, same thing happened. Look, last Thursday, unemployment claims. Look at this. I'm gonna show you guys here. Look how it plays out. By the way, we have my bro Zion on the call. What's going on, my bro? Yeah, my bro Zion, P2000, Chairman loading. What else we have? We have Vladimir, Tony, Stephanie, Sonia, my sis, Sarah, Nicole, buenos dias, Melissa, Leslie, my brother Kevin, Alex, Michelle. Okay, okay, okay. Just want to take a moment to shout out to you guys. I appreciate you, family. But hey, guys, let's back test last week's news. Look, you guys see this last Thursday, okay? And by the way, this is how I've been able to, like, I study. Look, I studied New York Open. Okay, you guys see this? New York Open. Last week we had Fed rate news here, June 12th. It shot up. CPI. It resulted a bullish candle. Okay, it shot up, and then when Fed rate hit, shot price down. Boom. And then the next day was Thursday, right? Unemployment claims here. You see how it left an imbalance as well after Fed rate? I'm looking at the hourly. Look at this here. After Fed rate, it left an imbalance here. Okay, and then it dropped down. London session, sellers came in and pushed price down. Boom, boom, boom. And then unemployment claims hit here and resulted a bullish candle. Boom, shot up and filled and went half, like about almost 50% of the imbalance candle here. Okay. Unemployment claims hit. Boom. Shot up. And then New York Open, it shot price down. And then it shot up. See that? So same thing happened this morning. Like it's going up to fill the imbalance, just like I did last week. Last week, after Fed rate news on Wednesday, I left an imbalance here. Okay. And the next day, when unemployment hit, it pushed price up to fill the imbalance from Fed rate. Are you guys seeing this with me right now? So I left an imbalance here, right here. Right there. Okay. And then unemployment claim hit here, push price up to fill the imbalance. And then New York Open hit after news, it pushed price down, hit the 2300 support level, and then it shot up. And we're seeing the same thing happening this morning. Okay. Let's go to the 30-minute. London session, sellers came in, pushed price down, and then before news, started to consolidate. News hit, gave me a bearish candle. Gave me a bearish candle because news came out positive. So it gave me a bullish candle on gold, on the dollar, and bearish candle on gold, right? It does the opposite to each other. And then it pushed price down when news hit, and then New York Open right now, it's pushing price up to fill the imbalance, the hourly imbalance that I showed you guys. And it's exactly, it's playing out. It's filling out the imbalance. And we're about to smack TP3. We're right there. 23.55 is TP3. Make sure you guys are taking partials. Let's see, 2047. We just hit the new hour as well. So look, now it's filling the imbalance here. It's filling the imbalance from June 6th. This is the June 6th sell that happened back here that pushed price down. Boom. Now it's filling the imbalance from June 6th when we look at the bigger picture. Okay, right now we're on the bull run. We broke this ascending consolidation that has been going on. It has broken above my hourly structure, above 2340. You see how since what? Since June 7th, price has been below 2340. And it's been boom, 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 or just going sideways, boom, boom. And then finally it broke above my 2340 structure. So since June 7th, price has been consolidating. It has been in between 2300, 2340, right? And then finally it broke above my 2340 hourly structure. And right now we're experiencing a bull run. Let's look at Impulse. I love Impulse because it gives me the price direction, price momentum, right? It gives me the overall price momentum. And it's going to give me some buying signs, right? It's going to give me some buying confirmation signals. And that's exactly what's happening. Look at that. It's all blue. That's how you know that we're going up, coach. I love seeing this. Look at that, guys. All blue. So you want to go with the trend. Go with the trend. Have a great day, Sarah. Thank you for showing up. Mama duties. I understand. But yeah, guys, we're seeing a big push up. Look at this. It's giving me buying signs. So we're bullish on gold right now. You guys seeing this? Look, give me a blue micro trend arrow right here. That's a good sign. Price is above my EMA, my primary EMA, and then my secondary EMA, blue, is above the red. We have the blue trend arrow, blue strength arrow. Everything is blue. Blue, 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 because we're in profits. This is phenomenal. When will be a good time to buy in again, or would I wait for this bull run to finish? So wait for the retest. Wait for the breakup structure above 2350. Just wait for the next breakup structure for a re-entry. Let me show you guys. You see, with gold, it respects these key levels, right? These price. Gold respects price really well. So it has breaking above 2350. Now you can use these key levels as also like as entries. Okay. If you guys missed out on the 2340 entry, no problem. Just wait for the next break of structure, break and retest. Break and retest. And I'll take my trace off the 5-minute. You see how right now it retested, so right now it's a good time to enter. Around 2350 area right here. You see how it broke above 2350 and then came back down to retest, and boom. So just wait for the confirmation candle. I would like to see another bullish candle. Okay. Before I take another buy. So I will wait for another bullish candle. So I'll wait for this candle to finish before I enter another buy. We have 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. I will enter at the next 5-minute candle, just so that way I can get that extra confirmation. Okay, so we had the break of structure above 2350, came back down to retest. You see that? It shot up. Now it's coming down. And touch that to retest, and then boom. You guys can re-enter at 2350 area, and then 2355 can be your TP1, and so forth, right? 2360, TP2, 2365, TP3, for those that are considering about entering at 2350. Okay. Does that make sense? So it's all about, just follow basic market structure, break and retest. Like I just showed you, impulse is giving me buying signs. And we have less than a minute on this 5-minute candle until we enter on the next one. Okay, so just wait until it's done. And if you enter, around 2352, that's still good. Just follow same concept, right? Make sure you have a 50 pip stop loss from your entry, and then 50 pips from your entry to the upside can be your TP1, and then TP2 can be 100 pips from your entry, and then TP3 can be 150 pips from your entry, you know. So there, boom, you guys can go in for the buy there and give me a bullish candle. And it's about to hit my TP3, 2355. And I see this trending up. I see this pushing up. TP3 just hit. Let's go. Yo, let's go. Okay, okay. Drop some money bags in the chat if your TP got hit as well. Let's go, Vlad. Okay. Yo, this is amazing what we're seeing here. Yo, I made my bag this morning. I'm good. Wow, God is good. God is really good. God is really good. And it's crazy how it played out as soon as I woke up. I guess God wanted me to sleep in a little bit. And then when I woke up, I saw the opportunity and I took it. Yo, it is a blessed morning. It was meant to happen, yep. And I saw it coming anyways. Like when I saw the opportunity, I was like, yo, it's gonna push up. I woke up, guys, I woke up right when New York opened. Think about that. Right at 6:30. Well, as soon as it opened, I saw the opportunity. I was like, yo, I'm not hesitating. I'm entering right away. And looking at it, it's still pushing up. Yo, look at this, guys. But I already made my profits for this morning, 150 pips. That's a blessing. That's just a blessing, you know. And I see my boy Tony on the call as well. Tony was on at the event last night, and we marked this up. Like I told everybody who was at the event. Also, Sonia there. Sonia, I see my sis Sonia on the call. She was at the event. We marked this up, and I told you guys, yo, we're gonna see a big push up. We're gonna see a big push up, and look, it's playing out. We're gonna see gold go to that imbalance, and look, it's happening. It is happening live here on this call. And I'm gonna delete the 61.8 because it didn't retrace. So it pushed above, it broke above my 2350, and it can just continue to shoot up. But I saw this big buy playing out. Wow. This is amazing. Let me go ahead and document this. So let me put the before here. Boom. Before 6:35. 6:30 was New York Open. Right there. So this was the before, okay? Let me actually hold on, guys, because I want to post this in the chat. Before and after. Okay. So we had, this is before, okay? Before New York Open, look, price was consolidating. After news hit, news hit, news is where my dash line is. The yellow dash line, this is news. Okay. News hit, it gave me a bearish candle because news came out positive on the dollar, which resulted a bullish candle on the dollar, and then bearish on gold. It does the opposite to each other. But you guys don't want to trade when news hit, okay? Because look what happened. It gave me it liquidated. Price was consolidating before news. You see how price was going sideways before news, right? Price was going sideways before news because this is building liquidity, building money. Buyers and sellers is building liquidity. And then news hit, boom, liquidated. Took out all the stop losses from the sellers and then came back down to take out all the stop losses from the buyers. And then you guys want to wait till New York Open. New York Open was right here, right? And then after news, look, price was consolidating again. Boom, going sideways. It didn't break above my structure. It kind of did. Look, it kind of did right there, 2341, but then it came back down. It didn't fully break it didn't fully break above and retest. Okay. Yes, it broke slightly above my zone, and then it came back down, and it broke below my zone. Okay. But I didn't see no confirmation candles. Okay, this is not a confirmation pattern. This is like consolidation. A lot of wicks. This is just liquidity being taken out. Okay. Whenever you guys see wicks like that, that's just liquidity. Liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. Okay. Now, New York Open, 6:30. 6:35. Boom. Give me a bullish candle. $6.35. Here is where I entered. Boom. This is New York Open. When New York Open hit, it gave me this doji candle, right? This bearish candle right here. So let me see, what's this? Um, so this is more like a spinning top. Yeah, so this candle right here is like a doji candle. And whenever I see this, it's like, okay. And following a bullish candle, a big push up, I'm like, okay, this is definitely pushing up. So whenever I see something like this, guys, it's a big push up. Okay. This doji candle following a bullish candle, a big push up. That's a confirmation for a buy. And when you look at impulse, it's giving me all buying signs. When we look at impulse, let's look at it. $30. Price is above my EMA, my blue EMA. 630 hit was right here. Oh, wow. Look how it played out. It broke above my micro pivot line and then retested my micro pivot. 635 right there. Yo, this is beautiful. Guys, you guys see these dashed lines here? These micro pivot, these are called micro pivot, not my, let me see. Yeah, micro pivot lines. These are called micro pivot lines. You guys see these dashed lines here on impulse? Are you guys seeing this? Let me know. Like these dashed lines. Let me zoom in closely. Okay, you can use these micro pivot lines as for break of structure. Okay, these are like, you can use these like counter trend lines pretty much. These are my counter trend lines. These micro pivot lines are like counter trend lines. So whenever price breaks above my counter trend line and retests, it's a confirmation. Okay, it's a confirmation, and that's exactly what happened. It broke above my counter trend line, my micro pivot. You see here, there's my counter trend line here, form right there. Price broke above, and then came back down to retest. Give me that wick, respected, and then shot up. You see that? Yeah, it places it for you. Yeah, it's like it's AI, it's artificial intelligence. So it places it for you. But look how it played out. It literally wicked right at my micro pivot line. Like it broke above and then retested. Near open it hit. Look at that. Look at this doji candle right here. Look at that. 630 right here. New York Open. You see how it broke above my micro pivot? My secondary EMA. My secondary EMA is above my red EMA. My blue line is above my red. So that's a confirmation. I have my blue trend arrow, blue strength arrow. Everything is blue. And then it broke above my micro pivot. And then came back down and slightly retested here. You see that right here? And then shot up. Look how it played out. This is a perfect, perfect example. Look how it played out. 150 pips to the upside. That's how you read impulse. Simple. Whenever you guys see price above my blue EMA here at the bottom, this is my primary EMA. EMA stands for exponential moving average. It takes the average of about 50 candles. Okay. It takes the average of about 50 candles. It's a exponential moving average, right? It gives me the overall direction of the market and it's bullish. So when I see price above my EMA, I'm looking for buys only. And then my secondary EMA, which is on my two lines in the middle, when I see blue over red, that's a buying sign. And vice versa. Whenever I see red over blue, that's a sell confirmation. And whenever I see price below my primary EMA and it's red, then I'm looking for sells only. But in this case, I'm looking for buys because I have my price above my EMA. And then it's giving me all blue microtrend arrows, blue trend arrow, blue strength arrow. Everything is blue. We're all in profits. Let's go. Whenever I see this, bet I'm taking that buy without hesitation. Because the impulse is giving me confirmation. It broke above my structure. It gave me this confirmation pattern. Like, yo, it's all playing out. It's all alignment. So that's enough evidence for me to take my trade. And whenever you guys see that playing out, take it. Because we are confluence traders. Confluence. What does confluence mean? Confluence when you gather as much evidence, as much confirmations before a trade. Before you take your trade, you want to gather as much evidence, as much confirmations for everything to be aligned. Okay. So we are confluence traders because we follow our confirmations and we make sure that everything is aligned before we take a trade. It's like a doctor, right? He has to do MRI, he has to, do X-ray, he has to, ask the patient some questions before he does surgery. He wants enough evidence, right? Same thing as traders. We need our evidence. We need to do some testing before we actually perform, before we actually take our trade. Does that make sense? So we need enough evidence. Man, it's crazy like how this played out. Like I literally, when I woke up, I saw this playing out. I woke up right at New York Open, and when I saw this happening, I'm like, yo, this is buying. I just entered without hesitation. I'm like, market execution, buy, set up my stop loss, take profit. This is going to the moon. Imagine if I didn't wake up. Imagine if I didn't wake up and I slept in even more and I didn't show up. I would have missed this trade. But look how God works. He woke me up just in time for me to take my trade. That's crazy. This is the first time that has ever happened to me. First time ever. So right now we're witnessing history. Just imagine if I didn't wake up. Like I woke up literally right at New York Open, guys. Right at New York Open, I woke up and then I saw this move playing out. See, that's crazy. That's something that I'm gonna tell my grandkids about. So, yo, back in 2024, I slept in, you know, and I was supposed to be doing my trading call in the morning, but I slept in and I woke up 30 minutes after my call, and then I saw a move playing out and I took it and it's 150 pips in profit. God was like, time to catch your bag. That's Yeah, but we're still seeing gold pushing up, man. Yo, it's about to hit smack 2360. Should have set up 4 take profits. But that's okay. 150 pips. Yo, that's good. 100 pips, 150 pips. That is phenomenal. That's a no-brainer. Yeah, but I know you told me 2360. And I didn't want to be too greedy either. Like I already had my plan. I already had a pre-plan and I go for 150 pips. That's like my sweet spot. 100, 150 pips. Set up 3 take profits, and I'm good. Because I catch this on a daily, 150 pips on a daily. We catch 150 pips on a daily. That's nothing. Because gold would do that easy. 100, 150 pips on a daily. You know, that's nothing. So that's my sweet spot. That works for me. 3 take profits, I'm done. Because yo, 150 pips, that's good. That's really good. If you really think about it, guys, 150 pips on gold, that is really good. That is like really, really good. Like imagine catching 150 pips on, let's say, for example, $1,000 account, risking 1%. That's $10 divided by 50.2. 150 pips times 2. That's $300 on in a day that you're catching. $300 in profit. With that, starting off with $1,000, risking at 1%. $1,000. You risk 1% out of 1,000. That's $10 that you're risking. You take that $10 risk divided by your stop loss, which is 50 pips. That gives you your lot size, which is 0.2, $2 per pip. And then you take that lot size, right? And you times it by 150 pips. $2 times 150, that's $300. $300. Well, an extra $300 a day, that will make a huge difference, right, in our lives. Think about that. Catching 100, 150 pips. $300 a day for 4 days. $300 a day times 4. That's $1,200 a week. $300 a day times 4. That's $1,200 because, I only do these calls Tuesday through Friday, right? We catch $300 a day because we go for 150 pips, $300 a day for 4 days. That's $1,200 a week. $1,200 a week times 4. That's $4,800 a month. Times 12. That's $57,000 a year. $57,600 a year. Guys, that's life changing right there. Making 57,000 in trading a year. That will change our lives. That will change everybody's life on here on this call, right? So think about that. Just by catching 150 pips. That's a blessing to anyone's pocket. Facts. Facts. It just hit 2360. And at the same time, I don't want to be too greedy, right? We don't want to be too greedy. Like, just follow your trading plan. If 100 pips, 150 pips works for you, then just stick with that. You don't want to be too greedy in the markets because you never know. It can never go your way. You just never know. You just never know with the markets. So that this is my sweet spot. 1 to 3. This is a 1 to 3 risk reward. 1 to 3 is my sweet spot. This is a 1 to 3 risk reward setup. 150 pips on gold. 1 to 3. Risking 1% to gain 3%. This is my sweet spot here. This is what works for me. So I'm doing what works for me. Period. End of story. No one can tell me otherwise. Yeah, like just you know, follow your trading plan and just be like, okay, my goal today is to catch 100 pips or 150 pips and be out. That's it. Stop loss at 50 pips. I'm done. Because I'm willing to risk 50 pips to gain 150. That's triple, right? Risking 50 pips to gain 150 pips. That's 1 to 3. Are you guys willing to risk 50 pips to gain 150? 100 plus, 150? Are you guys willing to risk 50 pips to gain 150 pips? Of course. Of course. Of course. Why not? And if it hits my take profit, if it hits my stop loss, that's okay. I'll look for the next opportunity. Make sure you guys always set up a stop loss. Always, always, always. It's so important. Okay. But yeah, guys, this already played out. Let me know in the chat. Drop some money signs in the chat. You guys took profits this morning. Let me know in the chat. Let me know. If you guys took profits. And if you guys didn't, then that's okay. Like, don't feel like you're missing out. Like, you're not missing out. Trust me, you're not missing out. There's always another opportunity. Like, you live to trade another day, and there's always opportunities like this happening. Okay. Gold will move 100 plus pips a day. Trust me. Like, the more you back test, the more you study, the more you look at, like, gold will push you 100 pips, no problem. No problem. It will give you that. You just gotta wait for you just gotta wait for the setup. You just gotta wait for all your confirmations to align. Okay? Be patient. And be patient. Okay? Be patient, guys. Patient pays. Patient pays. And it's so true. We hear it all the time. Patience, stay patient, stay disciplined. Follow your trading plan. There's a reason why we say this, because it's all repetition. It's the same thing over and 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 over again. It's gonna sound annoying because, guys, if you guys notice that I say the same thing on every single call. You guys notice that? I just say it, like, sometimes I say it in a different way, but I repeat. I feel like I'm repeating myself on every single call because it's the same thing. It's the same thing. Es lo mismo, Nicole. Es lo mismo. Es lo mismo. Es lo mismo. Cada vez, siempre esto va a pasar. Estamos a esperar para un quebra arriba, después retest, y pum, hasta arriba. Who else do we have? My Spanish. Yeah, for those that are watching this recording, like, it's the same thing over and over again. My Spanish people who are watching this recording, es lo mismo, los mismo, lo mismo, los mismo, otra vez, es lo mismo cada vez, es lo mismo, nomás, sigue con tus confirmaciones y cuando todo, juega, ahí cuando toma tu market execution, cuando mira que hay una quiebra arriba de tu zona, como lo que pasó hoy, y te da tu confirmación para una compra. Cuando mira tu confirmación, ahí cuando entras. Pero cada vez es lo mismo, es lo mismo, es lo mismo. Guys, it's the same thing. It's all repetition. Repetition is key. And also, guys, the 8-step confirmation checklist that I give you guys, drop a 888 in the chat. If you guys got the 8-step confirmation checklist, because you guys don't, I can actually pull it up here real quick for you guys. I can actually drop it in the chat, my Telegram chat for you guys real quick. Let me actually do that instead. Let me drop it in the chat for you guys real quick. The 8-step confirmation checklist, it works, okay? Because this is exactly what I follow. I'm gonna drop it in the chat. And also I named it. I named this, I decided to name it the playbook. What do you guys think of that name? The playbook? The 8-step confirmation checklist? It's called the playbook now, because that's our playbook. So I'm gonna change the name to the playbook. The playbook, because that's gonna be the name of it moving forward. Boom. Hold on, let me see. Edit. Boom, there you go. I just dropped it in the chat. I'll drop the playbook in the chat, which are the 8 steps. You got the 4. Vladimir just dropped in the chat. For those that don't have it, look in the chat. Those 8 steps, that 8-step confirmation checklist, that's the playbook. First step, market direction using the 4-hour. Second step, 1-hour support and resistance zones. Third step, 15-minute internal support and resistance zones. Fourth step, liquidity, which is money. Fifth step, break construction retest. Sixth step, confirmation candle. Seventh, look at the time. And eighth step, you confirm with your scanners, with ORS or Impulse. I like to use Impulse primarily because that's what worked. And of course, ORS is basically key levels. Like that's this same ORS is basically key levels. What I'm showing you guys here, break of structure, retest, key levels, that's all ORS as well. That's basically what ORS is. It's just key levels, market structure levels. That's basically what ORS is. And I like to use Impulse for more like market direction, go with the trend, see where the overall momentum is. That's why I love Impulse, because it's giving me all these confirmations. Like it's giving me where price is heading, overall momentum of the market. Price is above my EMA, so I'm looking for buys only. I'm not going against the trend. I'm going with the trend, right? I'm going with the trend. I don't want to go against it. I'm not looking for sells. I'm looking for buys, because obviously it's giving me buying signs. It's giving me buying confirmations. That's why Impulse is very it's phenomenal. It's because it's giving me all these buying signs, and it also helps me to trade with the trend, which is so key. Because before I would trade against the trend, and I'll end up losing because I'm going against the trend. I'm going against the current. It's like you're going against the current, right? Like the ocean, you're going against the current. It's like, and it's resisting you. Like you don't want to go against the current. You want to go with the flow. You want to go with the current. Like go with the flow. Like go with the trend. It's like the it's like the ocean, right? It's like the ocean. Same thing. It's like waves. Okay, you want to go with the current. Okay. It's like the ocean. Don't go against the current. Go with, go with the current. Go with the trend. Go with the wave. Okay. Does that make sense? So that's why impulse is so it works phenomenal on that. Everyone repeats the same information just a different way, but like you said, it's repetition. I don't get tired of hearing it because it's just reinforced what I've been taught, and a light bulb clicks every time. Yep. Point, Stephanie. Just keep showing up, sis, and then yeah, it's gonna click. I'm telling you, because I had to go through that myself. I had to learn it over and over again, over and over, over and over, and then it just finally clicked. I'm like, dang, okay, I see it now. But yeah, guys, I will end it here. Drop some fire emojis in the chat if you guys got some value. Drop some fire emojis, drop some money bags. This was a call that it just I had fun on this call. Like, even despite the fact that I woke up late, but we still managed to catch the bag. Um I had fun. Yo, like this is one for the books, man. This is one for the books. I truly enjoy being on this call with you guys. Um, I'm gonna upload I'm gonna upload all videos, all recordings on my YouTube channel. If you guys want to go ahead and check it out again, subscribe on my YouTube, so that way you guys can catch the recordings. I'll upload all my sessions on my YouTube. Grow with Carlos. Just search up Grow with Carlos on my YouTube. And I also posted the link to my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel. So for those that don't have access to my Telegram channel, just DM me on the side, private message me, and I'll send you the link to get access to that. But of course, you guys can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow with Carlos, to catch all recordings, so that way you guys can study, go back, take some notes. Yep. I appreciate you guys for hopping on. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for being patient with me. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for seeing the vision with this, because once you master the skill, you master trading, you master your life. Because once you master this skill, guys, I'm telling you, nobody can take this skill set away from you. Nobody can take this skill set away from you. Once mastered, nobody can take it away. Not your family, not your boss, not your friends, nobody, not the government, nobody can take this skill set away from you. Nobody. That's the power of it. Like, this is a skill set that you will keep for the rest of your life. Like, this is a skill I will keep for the rest of for a fact. Like I'm gonna be teaching this to my grandkids, to my kids. They're gonna be traders. They're gonna be investing, right? I'm passing this information forward to my kids. No doubt. So that's the power behind the skill. Okay. Because at the end of the day, it's bigger than us. It's bigger than just money. We're here to build generational wealth for our families. We're here to build kingdom of God, and we're here to really make an impact. We're here to really make a difference in our communities. And it's up to you guys, every single one of you guys on this call. Your duty is to serve. It's to serve others, to help others. Your purpose is to serve. Your purpose is to serve. Okay. and to make an impact in this world because you have a purpose here. Okay. Every single one of you guys, it's your duty to make an impact in your community, in your respective community. Right? It takes a team effort. It takes a village. It takes a village to build an empire. So it's up to us, family, to lead the way for our families. It's up to us. So let's go out there. Let's make it happen. Let's lead by example. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. And I'll make sure to set up multiple alarms so that way I make sure I wake up on time. Um, I will make sure that I'll wake up on time. I'll make sure I go to sleep on time, go to sleep a little early, get enough rest. So that way, we're back on it live tomorrow morning. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys for being on. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. God bless you guys. Go out there and make it happen. Lead the way. And let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. God bless.